Shout out to all them fellow truckers out there. Y'all be safe on that road. Big truck got 18 wheels, stick got 18 gears.
Y'all, so I'm trying something new with my hair. I'm getting ready to take these twists down, but these ones are gonna stay. But the back, you see how my hair is, the curlies? I'm trying to do like the girls. The girls always got the little curls out and stuff. The thing they don't fucking tell you though, you gotta use damn near all your product to get your curls popping. My damn unbrush broke while I was in the middle of brushing my hair. So I did what I could. It looked fine and poofy, like how I wanted to look towards the end, but whatever. The natural girlies don't be telling everything. Let me tell you, you have to use damn near all your curly cream, your curl hold, the styling gel, whatever the hell you're using to get your curls popping. You got to use damn near half the bottle. I got thick hair, thick 4C hair. I think I have a lightweight styling gel that I love. I only get it from the Dollar Tree. That's the only place I can find it. Softy is the brand. That's the only brand I use on my hair for styling gel. But like, it's lightweight, it's perfect. But look at this, like, you can tell the difference. This side is so poofy compared to here, but it is what it is. It's cute. You can't tell me that the style is not cute, because if you say it's not cute, your mama's a hoe. Your mom's a hoe. And I said what the fuck I said. Yeah, this is so cute. I'm trying something different. I got the little crown moment going. You know, I do my twist outs. My whole thing was to do my twist out, but I was like, let me try something different. I'm about to take these 3 twists out and these 3 twists out as well, and just leave the front like this. You can't tell me this ain't cute. I don't want to hear it. It's cute as fuck. Mom's a hoe. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and tell y'all, you got to use half your damn shit, and I didn't know that. I am the very frugal, cheap girl. Okay? Because damn, I use half my spray bottle, because you got to get it wet, not damp. They talking about, oh, you need your hair damp. No, you got to get your hair wet. Wet, damn near soaking wet, like you freshly came out the shower washing your hair. If I would have known, I would have done that last night. I'ma keep it real. They don't be telling you all the full stuff. I don't know why. I have to learn this as I go. I'm like, ooh, they looking cute. They doing their curls popping. Let me try. Half my bottle gone. Fuck.
Girl, don't call my phone up. I know where you been. You like to get messy when you out with your friends. I'm not scared to say that I'm insecure, but you're too scared to say that you want him more. Girl, don't call my phone up. I know where you been. You like to get messy when you out with your friends. I'm not scared to say that I'm insecure, but you're too scared to say that you want him more. Don't tell me this is alright. Don't blame me when it's your fault. It's not me.
Which is about a 2-hour drive from where we're at right now. We're going to Victory Cruise Casino, and in that area they have parking, so we're going to park our truck there. We're not going there tonight, obviously. We're going to do this tomorrow morning. There's a beach right around the corner from that area. We're going to go to the beach. We're going to try some food. This is literally 24 hours in Florida, and I'm so excited. I've never been to Florida, so I'm excited. My baby has been to Florida. I haven't, so me and little man I'm over it. I'm fucking over it. Look like a little circus or something. So we just left Walmart, did a quick little shop. This is a nice Walmart, the what we're at. Getting, waiting on our Uber. I don't know if y'all can see that. We're waiting on our Uber to come to take us back to the Love's gas station, which is honestly is right around the corner. And this spot is really, really nice. They got a lot of stuff here. Look at all that. What are you talking about? Yo, I forgot the micro SD card, so Tyson went running. Like, he's running in there to go get the micro SD card for the GoPro that we just got. And we're racing against 2 minutes. Like, our Uber will be here in 2 minutes. So hopefully he can get it in time. I told him they should have a micro SD card under $20 if he gets the on brand. But oh my God, like, we're racing against time. He's stuck at a light, which is a good thing. But I know exactly where he's at. He's at this McDonald's right there. So it's not that far. What, Papa? I see Stank, but so let's hope he gets here in time. We literally have 2 minutes, bro. Ah! I'll get back at y'all when we get back to the truck.
You like to get messy when you out with your friend. I'm not scared to say that I'm insecure, but you're too scared to say that you want more. Girl, I call my phone up, I know where you been. You like to get messy when you out with your friend. I'm not scared to say that I'm insecure, but you're too scared to say that you want more. Don't tell me is this alright. Don't baby when it's your fault. It's not me. And I don't wanna hear